This is part of an infinity pencil set that my daughter bought. I was really wary after like watching videos and stuff, but these are honestly so cool. She's had these for like 5 months now, writes with them all the time. They literally never change. I don't understand at all how it works that they just stay that exact sharpness. It's beyond me. It's just wild. The only 2 negatives I have, it's not quite as dark as we'd like it, but it's dark enough, if that makes sense. Depending on their school teacher, they may or may not allow it, but for at home and stuff, totally great for drawing and writing and all that. The other thing is that you have to unscrew it to get the eraser out, so that's kind of annoying. It's not like on the end or anything, but even with those 2 little annoyances, I guess you'd call it, we love them. It did come, I think, with 6 of these, I want to say, and the caps as well. To change the nib, if you need to, you just unscrew it. Boom. It's wild. And then even this little nib also comes out. So you can just take it all apart if you want to, but it just never goes, it never goes dull. I don't understand. I mean, at some point I guess it would, but they say that one of these replaces 100 of those standard size pencils, and then there's no sharpening. Just wild how these work. We love them. I know you will too.